Seahorses, with their equine heads and prehensile tails, are a marvel of the ocean. These tiny, enigmatic creatures have fascinated marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike for centuries. Their unique anatomy, which includes a horse-like head, a curled tail, and a body covered in bony plates, sets them apart from other marine life. These fascinating creatures inhabit tropical and subtropical waters around the globe, captivating us with their unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. They can be found in shallow coastal areas, often clinging to seagrasses, mangroves, and coral reefs. Their ability to blend into their surroundings with their camouflaged bodies makes them masters of disguise. Unlike most other fish, seahorses mate for life, and it is the male seahorse that carries the fertilized eggs in a pouch on its belly. This remarkable role reversal in reproduction is one of the many unique aspects of seahorse biology. The male seahorse nurtures the eggs until they hatch, releasing fully formed miniature seahorses into the water. For centuries, seahorses have been admired for their beauty and grace. Their slow, deliberate movements and vibrant colors have inspired countless works of art and literature. In many cultures, seahorses are considered symbols of good luck and protection. However, their very existence is now under threat. Human activities such as overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution have significantly impacted seahorse populations. The delicate balance of their ecosystems is being disrupted, putting these enchanting creatures at risk. Traditional medicine, particularly in Asian countries, utilizes dried seahorses for various remedies. They are believed to have healing properties and are used to treat a range of ailments from asthma to impotence. This demand has led to the harvesting of millions of seahorses each year. The aquarium trade also contributes to the demand, as hobbyists seek to keep these captivating creatures in their homes. While the sight of a seahorse in a home aquarium can be mesmerizing, it often comes at a high cost to wild populations. Furthermore, dried seahorses are often sold as souvenirs to tourists. These trinkets, while seemingly harmless, contribute to the decline of seahorse populations. The removal of seahorses from their natural habitats for commercial purposes disrupts the ecological balance and threatens their survival. This demand has led to overfishing and a decline in wild seahorse populations. The unsustainable harvesting practices have pushed some species to the brink of extinction. Conservationists are raising alarms about the urgent need to protect these vulnerable creatures. In response to this growing concern, scientists and conservationists are turning to technology to develop sustainable solutions. Research is being conducted to better understand seahorse biology and ecology, with the goal of implementing effective conservation strategies. Seahorse farming, also known as aquaculture, has emerged as a promising avenue to help alleviate the pressure on wild populations. By cultivating seahorses in controlled environments, we can reduce the need to capture them from the wild. By breeding seahorses in controlled environments, we can meet the demand for these captivating creatures while protecting their counterparts in the wild. This approach not only helps conserve wild populations, but also provides valuable insights into seahorse biology and behavior, aiding in their overall preservation. Seahorses face numerous threats in their natural habitats. These delicate creatures, often seen as symbols of marine beauty, are struggling to survive in a world that is increasingly hostile to their existence. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change all contribute to their decline. Coral reefs, which provide essential shelter and breeding grounds for seahorses, are being damaged at an alarming rate. Polluted waters further degrade their habitats, making it difficult for seahorses to thrive. However, the most significant threat is overfishing. Fishing practices, especially those involving trawlers and nets, indiscriminately capture seahorses, along with other marine life. This relentless harvesting is pushing seahorse populations to the brink. Millions of seahorses are caught each year to supply the traditional medicine, aquarium, and curio trades. In many cultures, seahorses are believed to have medicinal properties, leading to their high demand. Additionally, they are often sold as ornamental curios or kept in home aquariums, further depleting wild populations. This unsustainable practice has devastated wild populations. The once vibrant coral reefs teeming with seahorses are now eerily empty. The decline in seahorse numbers is a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on marine life. Seahorses are particularly vulnerable to overfishing due to their unique reproductive biology. Unlike many other fish species, seahorses have a complex and slow reproductive process. Unlike many other fish species that produce thousands of eggs, seahorses have a relatively low reproductive rate. The female transfers her eggs to the male's pouch, where he fertilizes and carries them until they hatch. The male carries the eggs in his pouch until they hatch, but the number of offspring is limited. This unique reproductive strategy, while fascinating, makes it difficult for seahorse populations to recover quickly from overfishing. Moreover, seahorses are slow-moving, and often rely on camouflage to avoid predators, making them easy targets for fishing nets. Their inability to escape quickly from threats further exacerbates their vulnerability. The decline in wild seahorse populations has far-reaching consequences. These small but significant creatures play a vital role in the health of marine ecosystems. As predators, seahorses play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help control the populations of small crustaceans and plankton, which are their primary food sources. They feed on small crustaceans and plankton, helping to control their populations. This predatory role is essential for keeping the marine food web in balance. The loss of seahorses can disrupt these delicate food webs, leading to cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. The decline of seahorses is not just a loss of a species, but a disruption of the intricate balance that sustains marine life. Protecting seahorses is crucial for the health of our oceans. Farming seahorses presents unique challenges. These fascinating creatures, with their unique appearance and behaviors, require a level of care that goes beyond typical aquaculture practices. These delicate creatures require highly specialized care and environments to thrive. Their tanks must be meticulously maintained to replicate their natural habitats as closely as possible. Seahorses are particularly sensitive to changes in water quality, temperature, and lighting. Even minor fluctuations can have significant impacts on their health and well-being. They are also prone to stress, which can weaken their immune systems and make them susceptible to disease. Stress factors can include overcrowding, improper tank conditions, and even handling by caretakers. Another challenge is their feeding habits. Unlike many other marine species, seahorses do not eat just any type of food. Seahorses are voracious eaters and require a constant supply of live food, such as small crustaceans called mysids. These tiny shrimp must be provided in abundance to meet the seahorse's dietary needs. Providing this live food in a controlled environment can be difficult and costly. The process involves not only sourcing the live food, but also ensuring it remains healthy and nutritious for the seahorses. Furthermore, seahorses have a complex courtship and breeding behavior that can be challenging to replicate in captivity. Their mating rituals are intricate and require specific conditions to be successful. Despite these challenges, advancements in technology are making it increasingly feasible to farm seahorses successfully. Innovations in aquaculture equipment and techniques are helping to overcome many of the obstacles faced by seahorse farmers. Closed-circuit aquaculture systems, for example, allow for precise control over water parameters, ensuring optimal conditions for seahorse health and growth. These systems help maintain stable environments that are crucial for the well-being of seahorses. Specialized tanks with gentle currents mimic their natural environment and provide ample surface area for them to attach themselves with their tails. This not only helps reduce stress but also encourages natural behaviors, contributing to their overall health and longevity. Section 4. Technological innovations in seahorse farming. Technological innovations are revolutionizing the way we farm seahorses. Advanced filtration systems remove waste products from the water, maintaining pristine conditions for these sensitive creatures. Automated feeding systems deliver precise amounts of live food at regular intervals, ensuring a constant supply without overfeeding. Specialized lighting systems mimic the natural light cycles of their tropical and subtropical habitats, promoting healthy growth and reproduction. Furthermore, researchers are developing innovative techniques to cultivate live food, such as mysids, in a sustainable and cost-effective manner. These technological advancements not only improve the efficiency of seahorse farming but also enhance the welfare of the animals. By providing optimal conditions and a stress-free environment, we can ensure the health and well-being of these captivating creatures. Section 5. From Nursery to Maturity, a Technological Journey. Seahorse farming begins in specialized nurseries where newborn seahorses known as fry receive round-the-clock care. These nurseries are equipped with advanced life support systems that maintain ideal water conditions for their delicate systems. Tiny, specialized tanks provide a safe and controlled environment for the fry, which are highly susceptible to predation and environmental fluctuations. As the fry grow, they are gradually transferred to larger tanks with more space to swim and explore. Throughout their development, seahorses are closely monitored for any signs of stress or disease. Advanced imaging techniques allow farmers to detect even subtle changes in their health, enabling early intervention and treatment. Once they reach maturity, seahorses are carefully graded and selected for breeding or for sale to the aquarium trade. By selectively breeding seahorses with desirable traits, such as vibrant coloration or hardiness, farmers can enhance the genetic diversity and resilience of captive populations.